Howdy everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're building traffic cones and delineator posts. Let's jump right in by taking two of the translucent neon orange 1x1 round bricks and stacking them atop one another. We'll do this a total of 3 times. Next, take 2 translucent neon orange and 2 white 1x1 studs and stack them atop one another so that an orange stud is on the top and a white stud is on the bottom. Again, we'll do this 3 times. Now, stack those on top of the 1x1 round bricks and placing that entire build on a black 2x2 round tile with open stud. Again, a total of 3 times. Finally, take a translucent neon orange 1x1 cone and place atop a black 1x1 plate. Finish off the remaining 2. Bring in your construction worker minifigure and we are ready to do some road work. Thanks for joining everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you soon.